United Methodist Women, today we have an opportunity to stand for justice by participating in a march and a rally for economic equality.
We're going to walk in some peace and walk in beauty.
What do we want?
Justice!
When do we want it? Now!
Walk in peace, walk in beauty. Walk in the Spirit of God, and when you walk, Christ is there. And when you walk,
Give us some justice!
No justice!
No peace!
When we as a society want all of our brothers and sisters to have a fair share of the good things in life, they will have them.
United Methodist Women have made it happen.
I may be broke, but I am.
We are not fully sharing the gospel of Christ unless we seek a good life for all of God's children.
Christ is there. Christ is there.